Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna be creating our first React Native app. It's just gonna be our Hello World app in React Native. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. So without much further ado, let us begin. So here in the VS Code terminal, we are gonna say nps init react no nps react native init first app. So we're going to call it first app. And this is going to take some time to generate the boilerplate for this app. So we're going to pause this video until the boilerplate is generated. And so guys, React Native is done generating our boilerplate. So now we're going to cd into our app, and then okay, first of all, let's open the folder. Now we're gonna run our app to see. First of all, this is the boilerplate generated by React Native, and this boilerplate has the test.bundle folder, the Android folder, the iOS folder, the node models, and all this. So our app is actually here. This is the entry point to this app. The app model is passed here. So first of all, let's change this to .js, app.js, and then here we're going to generate a boilerplate. We're going to say ONFS I think, okay, still working. So now this is our boilerplate. You can decide to type this on your own, or you can just make it faster by generating it with this code RNFES. Now this is the app model, and in this place, for us to create our Hello World app, we will simply say Hello World. So go to terminal, new terminal, and we run our app. Prefer using bash. Now we're gonna say nps react native run Android, because I'm using Android. So it's gonna build our app and then run it in an Android emulator. This is gonna take quite some time depending on the speed of your computer. So we're gonna be patient. Okay. So the editor is coming up. So it's gonna take some time to build this app and run it. Oh, what's the error? Oh, this error means failed to launch emulator. It's taking some time to launch because the emulator is not on already. but this is not something to worry about, because before the app is done building, the emulator is gonna start, and then the app will be able to launch. So this error was because the emulator is still trying to turn on. So we're going to give it some time. Depending on the speed of your computer, this may take up to 30 minutes to 1 hour to build. But this one I don't think it's going to take up to 5 minutes. So we're going to pause this video and continue. And so guys, our app is done building. So now we're going to watch the app display on the emulator, and then so what we're just going to do here is to reload this and possibly rerun the app, but it built successfully. So these are just some minor errors from React Native. So the app is gonna run, so let's wait for it. So sometimes when this happens, if this window is still open, you can just press A here for it to run. But if not, you can just rerun it like we did here. So it built successfully. It should be able to render, but if it's not, okay, it's rendering here. And so this is our app that's rendered. You can see hello world up here. So why it reacts to any changes to the app, to react to any changes that we make. For example, if I do something like hello React Native, seeing it, hello React Native. So this will be it, hello React Native. So we can stop this emulator from going under whenever I click on the Visual Studio. So what we do is come here, click on settings, and then emulator always on top. So no matter what I click, it's going to be on top. So hello React Native. Let's add a little styling to this to make it style sheet. So let's add a little styling to this. We're going to say const styles is equal to style sheet.create. So here we're gonna give this a style of container, style is equal to styles dot container, and here we're going to create container. So here is going to be container, and our container is going to have a flex of 1, and then it's going to have a display of flex, and it's going to have a flex no, justify. Going to have a justify content of center and align items of center to bring this to the center. So this is it. We can actually say a background color of let's say blue, and you see how fast this reacts, and then in the test can give our test a style of styles dot test. So here put a comma and I say test. So our test will be, as we have a color, I say a color of white, can add a font weight of let's say 700, so it's border. We can actually even add a font size of 12 or even 24. So what you do when this happens is just to find out what is causing the error, and then and in this case there is nothing causing the error, it's just that we made a mistake while typing that. So what you do here is just to press R to reload, and that should go away. Okay, still there. Saying, what is this saying? In font size. Okay, we use small letters in the size instead of capital letters. So that's where the error is coming from. So like so, use the camel case while writing React Native styles. So this is it. And so guys, this will be the end of our Hello World app and React Native. This is the first app that we created, but I want you to keep your eye on this YouTube channel, because in the coming days I'm gonna be uploading YouTube tutorials. I'm gonna be uploading tutorials on React Native. If you want to learn React Native from scratch, please subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much.